Okay, this may seem a little boring, but I need you to stick with me for 30 seconds here. I'll appreciate that. So let me tell you, I have an HP printer, which I've actually had it for a couple of years now. And because I've had it for a couple of years now, I have tried everything. I've tried the refillable cartridge, I've tried the junky knockoff cartridges, I've tried them all, and I keep coming back to these original HP cartridges. They're the only things that absolutely work every time, in my humble opinion and my personal experience. Every time they work perfectly. And I do like that with the black, you could get the XL because I almost never print in color. And the moment the black starts to run out, it starts pulling the other colors to make black. And then they all get wasted and you need the whole thing again. So I find that I'm able to get this kit and then a couple more XL blacks and it works perfectly. That is my thing. This absolutely works perfectly. I know it's not the most deepest, interesting conversation ever, but it just happens to be the truth. I've definitely experimented a lot and the original OEM stuff is easily the best. I hope this was helpful for you. Appreciate you waiting that 30 seconds. We'll see you next time.